In this video, we will show you how to add a water sensor to your SkylinkNet Internet Hub. Before we begin, make sure battery is installed to the sensor. It requires one AAA battery. Log into your SkylinkNet account. The LED on the hub should be steadily on in green, meaning it is online. Click More. Then System Settings. Then Setup Wizard, and Add Device. Select Sensors. Then choose Water Sensor. Give this sensor a name, such as Water Sensor, and where the sensor is located, such as Bathroom. Then click Continue. Click Learn Now. Now activate the water sensor by dropping the two metal contacts into water. A red LED on the sensor should flash. After activating the sensor, you will see the app shows completed. Select Go to Home Screen. You will see the water sensor icon. To test the water sensor, dip the metal contacts into water. You will see the icon changes from blue to red, indicating water is detected. When you remove the sensor from the water, the icon will not change back to blue immediately. It will change back to blue after no water is detected for 15 seconds. Congratulations! You have added the sensor to your Internet Hub. Check out our other videos on how to add other devices.